In this video, I'm going to show you how to ask a question on Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then swipe to the right to start recording a story. You can use your camera to take a picture or to record a short video first, or you can hit right there to open up photos from your camera roll, and from here you can select any photo or video to add it to your story. I'll just pick that one, and now in order to add a question sticker here, all you have to do is right there hit add stickers icon and then select questions sticker. If you can't find that sticker over here, you can use search box to find it, so you can tap right there and then you can start typing question and it will show up, and now you can hit on that to add it to your story. After that, you can edit a question. Just tap right here where it says ask me a question, and then you can enter here any question that you want. For example, I typed in do you like my channel. After that, I can hit add that colored circle to change the color of that sticker in that simple way, and after that I can hit on done, and now I can move on. I can move it around that sticker. I can place it wherever I want. I can scale it, I can rotate it, and after that I can do any other actions with my story. I can add here some text or another stickers or some effects or whatever, and after that I can hit at that arrow icon to share this story with my followers, and once this story will be shared, anyone will be able to ask you some question using that question sticker. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.